Hi everyone, today we are looking at the responses. In the previous lessons we got the text from the LLM models. Today we'll see what are the responses we get from the model, or just look at the response object today. So I wrote a new controller called ChatResponse controller. So it has two endpoints. One is client chat response, the other one is chat response, just the response, right? And then I created the service, and it has two methods to give the response. In earlier services, what we were doing was from the chat response we were getting text and all those things, right? We are just getting what we need, but what actually the chat response has is found in the response. So we can click it and look through it what are there, but we will look at the response in the postman call. That's all what I changed for this lesson. So let me run the application. The application is running, and let's see in the postman. So one is, let's go with the chat client response. How do I make coffee? That's the question. So we got the response. Let's look at it. So this has chat response. This is an object, right? Results, output. So this is message type, what we looked earlier, if it is a tool call or media, and the text. This is the response we get. So it has metadata, finish, all these things, and metadata. So this would be useful when we are dealing with, when we write the production ready applications, because every request and response costs us, right? So we try to optimize it based on these things. So we know the model we are using is Mistral, and request limits, like how many, all these things. Mostly so here it has like prompt tokens. This is the question, this is the answer, and total tokens. So if you have looked into open AI's how much it costs for tokens, then you would know like this would cost more or less. So results and text, tool calls, metadata, and all those things. So the difference between chat response and chat client is it comes with the context too. So chat client has the response and with the context. So if you go look at the response, just the chat response, it comes with metadata similar, right? It has all the things that was in chat client response. So basically client just adds the context part, which we'll look into later in the lessons, how we can use those things. That's all for today. Practice this. This is for information purpose, and as you start making real applications that's useful, that's used by other people, these things comes into handy and useful. Bye.